Area. Hi, everyone. It's me, Jennifer from Froggywentaknitting, and I'm joined by Maureen.
Hello, everyone. How are y'all today? We hope that you don't mind us taking up just a few moments of your time.
So, we wanted to come in and tell you about our friend, All Handmade Connie. She was always doing Southern Sisters with Maureen.
Yes, she
And
was.
when her husband became very ill with cancer, I basically kind of took her place. Um, her husband has become very ill, and his cancer is now terminal.
Yes.
And he really only has days left, which is very, very sad. And it is emotionally and financially hard on them. They live on Social Security, which is not very much money, as you all know. And we've come on here to talk to you about that. But there is a GoFundMe that's been created, and we wanted to know if we could get just a little bit of support from our community to help them out. As little as $5 would help. If everybody donated $5, we would be able to reach our goal to help Connie and Greg through this horrible time. Um, they need so much, and just a little bit of your help would really get us through this. So down
And
below in the
if
description
you can't,
box. No, go ahead.
I hope we're good. We can edit.
No, you're fine.
Okay, I was going to say, I just hope we can edit. Um, there's also a place on the GoFundMe in which you can leave comments, uh, prayers, um, words uplifting, because we all know that in losing a spouse, um, it's to lose one. I mean, it's just it's so hard to know that it's close. Um, I mean, if we lose a spouse through an accident
Yeah,
or something that just happens right away, I mean, yes, it catches us off guard, but there's there's just nothing to explain or compare to when we know that it's just a very short window of time that's left, because you sit there and you think about all the things you could have done or should have done, and how could I have stopped this, or how could we have stopped this. I mean, there's just so much that your mind goes through. And so one of the things that we don't want either one of them to have to worry about is the cost of taking care of his funeral.
yeah. And it is horrible right now because he's terminal and he's in hospice, and she's having to basically sit vigil and watch him pass away.
That's right.
Um, and the last thing we want is for her to worry about having to do the funeral services. We
Yes.
want to assist her in any way, shape, or form. There is no life insurance. And if you are aware of Social Security, they don't give you but a couple $100, and that doesn't pay for anything. And
Mm-mm.
as you notice, the GoFundMe is only set for 5,000. She's doing something very small and very simple, so it's not very big. Yeah, it's very difficult for her. So any words of encouragement would be greatly appreciated.
Absolutely.
And if you could share that the GoFundMe, that would be so, so appreciated. Thank you so much if you share out the GoFundMe,
Absolutely.
just to get the word out, to let people know, and maybe help out some. You know, every penny counts. Every penny
That's right.
does. We
And
just
every time that we have come together to help someone in our Yarny community, the Yarny community has really stepped up and done so much for those that we know of that have come up with a need. And so we just want you to be aware that there is another in our Yarny community right now who is in need. And so
yes,
we reach out to you, hoping and praying that you'll be able to contribute in some small way. Because, even $2 or $3, $5, it all adds up, and it can add up very quickly if we all choose to participate.
Yes. And it will add up very quickly. And believe me, it would mean the world to Connie. And it would mean the world to me and to Maureen to help out our dear friend. You know,
Absolutely.
I realize she hasn't been on camera lately, but she has been with her husband by his side this
Yep.
entire time,
Yep.
going through this with him. Occasionally, she's been in the chat to say hello, but she's been exactly where any one of you would be, right by
That's
her
right.
spouse's side. And she's going to be losing her spouse of many, many years.
Hmm.
And if you lose your right hand, it's going to be very difficult for her.
Right.
So we appreciate anything that you guys could do. We
We
really do.
certainly will.
Prayers and everything. We appreciate it. We love you guys and we thank you so much.
Please remember, be the light out there in the darkness for someone today. And today we're asking you to be the light for Connie. So thank you again so much for listening to us. And we do hope that you have an awesome, awesome day.
We do. So remember, be that light. We love you guys. Bye now.
Bye.